Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And here I am in the library. Can you imagine? Yesterday on the live stream, some friends asked, what is your favorite library? I said I do not have a favorite library. Each library has something unique and special. So today we are seeing this unique and special library. Let me sit here in this rusty old chair. So that is the library. You can see here I am at Woodside in California. This is a quite affluent area, and the root of this place is actually quite rural, yes, quite mountainous area. Oh, see the bird? Okay, so there are a lot of trees here, and oh, what is going on? That part does not have that much coverage, and a lot of trees. I just went to a place quite interesting. I will slowly tell you the story of that place. So this is Woodside Library. The library is very small, super duper small. And people here, if you think about that people's needs for book, needs for knowledge, needs for information, this library looks pretty small, but well, this area people can get sufficient amount of information through internet, so that's not a big problem. And the library is very small, just one huge open room. But something make this library special is this outdoor native garden. Let's walk around, and after this fence is outside. It's a people's residence, and besides this there is a church, there is a coffee shop, and everything close together and well spaced out. There is enough room. Open door coffee shop is so very beautiful, so very beautiful. And this is the backyard of the library. I really enjoyed it. I do not come here very often because it's quite a drive. 10-20 minutes drive, and it's not my city. I do enjoy. I come here like a tourist, and I feel it is a tourist in my backyard, tourist at home. That kind of feeling. And this is a native garden, and the plants does not need a lot of water. I think they do have irrigation system, but maybe not. But I do not see a lot of expense of water, or a lot of water in use. And here inside these trees, they made a little kind of amphitheater, like a little stage, so children can see some performance, story time, or I can sit here. Anyone can sit here. It's just a very, very pleasant place. And this native garden is relatively less color, but you feel more humble, more natural, more original, and more subtle and subdued. It's not like a flashy rose garden. This is just some natural native plants, wild plants, and they maybe some are even medicinal. I do not know, but I really like this kind of plants. They are not too shiny, not too showy, and you feel comfortable, right? Don't you feel comfortable? I feel that it's not too intimidating, right? And just a small area, they arranged it in such a smart and wonderful way. One part with this, another part with that. So it has different coloring, different habit, different habitat, and maybe with different season it will have different blossom coming up. I really like it. So today, here is my story. The other day I went to Sofitel in Redwood City, and it used to be Sofitel in Redwood City, and now it became an independent hotel. It's called Grand Bay of San Francisco. And there I saw a magazine, Silicon Valley Luxury magazine. And those magazines usually they have a very luxury life, and people are high achievers. And I usually do not find very close to home. It's but just browsing through, I found a place called Canyon Ranch. So there they introduce several new hotels, and I start to realize there are many new interesting places, hotels, restaurants. So I decide maybe I should go to visit them to have some fun. So Monday, museum does not open, and other places when I finish my work should not be open. So I was thinking maybe I should go to that place. So I went there. I drove all the way, went there, crossed the mountain, the zigzag mountain road, and when I arrived, there was a sign. You call a number. The door was closed. I called the number. One guy picked up phone, and I said, I read about this place from Silicon Valley magazine. Can I have a visit? He said, I did not understand what you said. So I said, anyway, I just want to have a visit here. He said, okay, I will let you in and we can chat. So the big door opened. I went in, And I met this gentleman. He worked there in the management of that place. And I had a chat with him. And oh my goodness, that was a retreat place. And it is a retreat for corporate or for individuals. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they do not open. I came to a day they do not open. So they are just arranging and cleaning up everything. I think people came here stay for 3 days, and then Monday is the time they clean up. So I just chat with that gentleman. He said, how did you find this place? And you just come in? I said, yes, just because I'm interested. I want to find some new place. And he introduced me to each room. The hotel does not have anybody, no guest. And I think there is 1 or 2 ahumadela, the cleaning ladies. But otherwise, the hotel did not have anybody. And it's in the mountain. And it's a retreat place. You know, retreat, I did not know what is a retreat. I did not have any idea of this retreat thing. It's very clean and open, and you feel it a very good place with massage, with sauna, with yoga, with meditation, all those sort of stuff. And restaurant, hotel, a restaurant, living room, and outdoor deck, and snacks everywhere. You just pick up the snack you like, something like that. Yeah, I was very surprised. I just bump into a place, and then I can visit. This makes me feel how do I say it? Makes me feel confident. And I start to understand one thing. In this world, there is one thing that makes you a confident person. Not your face, not your words. It is the ensemble of everything. It's your experience, your knowledge, your language, your attitude, your word choice, your subject matter. You start a dialogue, and your experience in life that makes you knowing things, knowing people, knowing what to say, what not to say, make you know where to ask, when to ask, and when to shut up, not to say a word. And that is so, it's so strange. It makes me, I cannot put it into words. This is not my word. Going to a retreat to pay expensive price for hotel, it's not my word. I cannot afford it. I'm a teacher It's kind of basic salary teacher. It's one of the underprivileged, right? But you still, no matter what you do, you have value. You are not less than anybody else. You yourself, we ourselves, I myself is the value, is the reason I live this life. If I decide to talk, to contact, to be brave, I can do it. Nobody can stop me. Nobody can scare me off. If I am scared of talking to people, if I am scared of presenting myself to the world, asking things, chatting with people, looking for things, searching for things, explore places. If I am scared of doing that, nobody can put the confidence in me. Not $1 million. People with money may not have the right word to say, the right way to behave, the right respect to other people, the right way to handle people-to-people relationship. People without those money may still possess the ability to communicate. We are who we are. We are the value of ourselves. Anyway, so it's a very, very encouraging thing today. I think if I give myself the permission to explore the world, to go to places, I can do that. If we give ourselves the permission to be ourselves, to look for new things, we can do that. We can. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.